Hello. Today I want to do a tutorial on the song Rakshidavine Kanka. A few years back, we did this song for a YouTube channel, for valiavelicham's channel. So this is the progression I made or played for that song. So here we go. It's in the key of E. I'm gonna start with the first chord. Here it is. Rakshida. It's an E. Vine Kan. It's a G flat minor 7. Gapabi. It's an E over A flat. The second time when you're doing Rakshida, it's a D flat minor 7. Vine Kan. G flat minor 7. So Rakshida Vine Kanga Pabi. So second time is D flat minor 7th, G flat minor 7th, E over A flat. Ninde per. It's G flat minor 7th. Allayo. D flat minor 7th, cruising me B, tungunu E, ninde pe kallayo, cruising me tungunu. That's A minor. Ninde pe G flat minor 7th, kallayo, D flat minor 7th, cruising me B, A minor, back to E. So I'll play that again.
Rakshidavine Kanka Pabi. Rakshidavine Kanka Pabi. Ninde per kallayo Rusinel tumu. Ninde per kallayo Rusinel tumu. Rakshidavine Kanka Pabi. Rakshidavine Kanka Pabi. Ninde per kallayo Rusinel tumu. Ninde per kallayo Rusinel